Welcome to the jankiest tutorial on how to make doll glasses. What you need to make doll glasses is a doll, a piece of somewhat hard plastic like from this Velcro packaging, some paint, a paintbrush, some scissors, and a pen. So what I'm going to do is take the plastic, put it over the doll's face because I'm too lazy to measure. And then I'm just going to draw out the shape of the glasses that I want. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I have it on a white piece of paper so I can see the background. So now that I got the shape, I'm going to kind of refine it, draw the little ear pieces. Yeah. And then kind of clean up the initial drawing. Yeah. Alright, now that I have the outline, I'm going to take my paint. Come on. Which I have barely any left of, apparently. And I'm not going to water it down, I'm just going to paint in the sides. It's kind of janky, like I said, but hopefully when we cut it out we can kind of smooth the edge a bit. I don't know where these look really darky. But maybe they're supposed to, huh? Maybe that's what you want for your character. I'm super smart, so I'm doing this at night when I have like no lighting. But kind of helps to hold it up so I can see the light coming through, see what the places that I missed. Okay, and then you let that dry. Okay, I tweaked it a little bit, but then once it's dry, I forgot to mention this before, but you need some kind of sealant or gloss or something that's clear, and I'm using this Mod Podge. And you're going to take it, and then you're just going to paint over the whole thing. I think it doesn't matter if you go outside the lines, because you're going to cut it out anyway. paint it thin on the actual lens part because you don't want a big glob drying there. Alright, and then you're going to let that dry again. Okay, now that the sealant or gloss or whatever has dried, I'm going to cut this out. Actually, I'm going to use so I don't stab myself. I'm going to use the X-Acto knife to cut a hole. So this is the part where we can hopefully even out my really uneven lines by just cutting it. I'm not even on the camera. That is not even at all. Okay, I cut too far, but I think that's good enough. I'm going to flip it over to where the smooth side is facing out and the painted side is facing in. And then just where the hinge would be, just bend it and fold it over like that, both sides. And you got some little teeny tiny glasses. And we'll just try them on our volunteer. And there you go, little doll-sized glasses. Oops.